Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto brightness on this device. Begin with opening settings and scrolling down just a bit. Then tap on display section. In it, you need to click on this auto brightness section over here and finally click on this switcher next to use adaptive brightness. As you can see, after that, auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!